Most entrepreneurs fail because they build a product and pray that the market wants it. That is a poor man's strategy. The wealthy don't guess. They wait for massive companies to make mistakes, they extract their angry customers, and they build a highly automated lifeboat for them to jump into. Every one-star review your competitor gets is a blueprint for your next $1 million. But reading thousands of reviews and figuring out how to build a business around them takes months. Today, I'm going to show you how to compress 3 months of market research and product design into 60 seconds. We are going to build a synthetic board member using a free tool called NotebookLM. No coding, no complex APIs. I'm going to give you 3 specific architectures you can deploy today. First, the competitor X-ray. How to turn negative reviews into a lean, one-person business model. Second, the brain clone. How to turn your messy voice notes into a high-ticket digital asset. And third, the Trojan Horse. I will show you a completely unknown audio tactic that forces a CEO to listen to your cold pitch. If you send emails, you are being ignored. When you see what this tool generates at the 5-minute mark of this video, you will never write a cold email again. Information is not power. Synthesized information is power. Let's build the X-ray. So watch the screen. We're gonna go to NotebookLM. Most people use AI like a search engine. They ask it a question and get a generic answer. We don't want a generic answer. We want a highly profitable, mathematically sound business model. To get that, we have to give the AI a brain. Now, here's the brain that I'm gonna give NotebookLM. I'm uploading 4 specific documents. The first document is several pages of 1-star reviews from the biggest competitor in my target industry. The second document is that competitor's exact pricing tiers. And the third document is a summary of Alex Hormozi's 100 million offers framework. Now, document 4 will be the core principles from the book Company of One by Paul Jarvis. By uploading those reviews, we are telling the AI exactly what the problem is. By uploading the business books, we are giving the AI the architectural rules on how to solve it. Now, we deploy the synthetic consultant. I type, act as a ruthless private equity strategist. Cross-reference the competitors' 1-star reviews with their pricing tiers to find where customers feel ripped off. Then apply the Hormozi Value Equation to create a grand slam offer that cures these specific complaints. Finally, use the Company of One principles to outline how a single founder can deliver this offer using AI automation with 0 employees. Now let's hit enter. In less than 10 seconds, the AI has done the work of a $50,000 consulting firm. Look at the output. It didn't just summarize the complaints, it identified the exact friction point. Now we know the exact problem and why they lose the money. Next, it applies Hormozi's framework. It designs a done-for-you micro-agency model. Instead of selling a product or a software subscription, we have a much better product or service. And finally, it gives us the operational blueprint. It tells us exactly which 2 AI tools we need to connect to deliver the service without hiring a single human being. While your competitor is spending a lot on a PR firm to hide those negative reviews, you are weaponizing them. You just extracted their bleeding revenue and built the exact lifeboat their customers are begging for. You have the product, you have the offer, you have the operational model. Congratulations. But a product is useless if you can't get it in front of the people who have the money to buy it. And cold emailing them is a guaranteed way to be ignored. This brings us to strategy 2, the Trojan Horse. What I am about to show you is a psychological hack that forces a 7-figure CEO to give you 10 minutes of their undivided attention. almost nobody is using this tool for B2B sales right now. Once you see this, you will never write a cold email again. Look at your prospect's inbox. If you send a CEO a PDF case study or a 5-paragraph cold email, you are dead on arrival. They will delete it without opening it. You are competing with thousands of other automated emails. Now, to break through, you cannot use text. You must use ego. Human beings are psychologically hardwired to pay attention when people are talking about them. We are going to use NotebookLM to generate a hyper-realistic 10-minute audio documentary analyzing your prospect's specific company, and we are going to send it directly to their phone. Now, here's the execution. Watch the screen. I've identified a multi-million-dollar company I want to close as a client. I take their website, their latest press release, and the CEO's own words from his LinkedIn profile, and I drop them into NotebookLM. I am not going to ask it to write a summary. I am going to click on the Generate Audio Overview button. In about 3 minutes, the AI synthesizes all of this corporate data and generates a highly produced 2-person podcast. The AI hosts literally debate the strengths and weaknesses of the CEO's current strategy. Now, listen to 5 seconds of what it just generated.
So, picture this scenario for a second. You are sitting across this massive, polished oak boardroom table.
Oh, I know this setup.
Right. And on the other side of that table is the entire executive team of a global tech juggernaut. And your job is to look them in the eye and tell them exactly how to fix their business.
I mean, that is the ultimate high-stakes consulting scenario right there. Just a room full of very, very smart people basically waiting for you to find the blind spots that they've somehow missed.
Exactly. And that is the mission for this deep dive. We're officially putting on our business strategist hats today to evaluate a prospective mega client. I'm talking about
That wasn't recorded by humans. That was generated for free in 3 minutes. You download that MP3 file. You do not send a long email. You send this exact message. Hey, name. I spent the weekend doing a deep dive into your Q4 growth strategy. I actually synthesized my findings into a private 10-minute audio briefing just for you and your executive team. Listen to the MP3 attached. If you agree with the onboarding bottleneck identified at the 2-minute mark, for example, let's talk Tuesday. You just sent a highly produced media asset about their company. Their ego will force them to click play. And once they hear the quality, they will view you as an absolute authority. You now have the X-ray to build the perfect product or service. You have the Trojan Horse to bypass the gatekeepers and acquire the client, but there is one final trap. If you land the client and you have to do all the work manually, you haven't built an empire, you've just built yourself a high-paying job. Now, we need to decouple your time from your income. We need strategy 3, the brain clone. Now, pause for a second. Think about the most valuable skill you possess right now. If you want to scale a business or sell a high-ticket course, you have to extract that knowledge from your head and turn it into a structured asset. But every time you sit down to write a standard operating procedure or outline a course, you stare at a blank Google Doc for 3 hours. We call this the extraction penalty. You are losing money because the friction of formatting your own brain is too high. The wealthy do not format. They dump raw data and they let the system structure it. This is the 10x secret to creating digital equity. Here is how you clone your brain. You don't type a single word. You open the voice memo app on your phone while you are driving or walking. For 20 minutes, you ramble. You brain dump every single thing you know about your specific skill. How you close deals, how you edit videos, how you manage real estate. Do not edit yourself. Just speak the raw data. Now, take that messy 20-minute MP3 file and drop it directly into NotebookLM as a source. Then, you deploy this exact prompt. Act as a world-class curriculum designer. analyze the raw script of my voice notes, organize my scattered thoughts into a highly structured, step-by-step standard operating procedure and training masterclass. Create 5-minute modules. For each module, give me the learning objective, the 3 key tactical steps, and an actionable worksheet. Now, look at this magic. It took 15 seconds to turn your rambling thoughts into a $1,000 digital product. You can sell this. You can sell this course to beginners, or if you use the Trojan Horse to land a CEO client, you can hand them this exact document and say, here is the custom SOP my agency built to train your staff. You just added $5,000 of perceived value to your contract, and it cost you 20 minutes of talking to yourself in your car. This is huge. Now, let's review the architecture of the one-person empire. You used the competitor's X-ray to find a bleeding market gap and design a flawless product. You used the Trojan Horse audio pitch to bypass the gatekeepers and acquire high net worth clients. You used the brain clone to instantly generate training assets and SOPs to deliver the work without hiring employees. You did all of this with zero code, using a free tool in under an hour. The exact prompts I used today are in the description below. Copy them. Do not just consume this video for entertainment. Open the software, upload the data, and build your leverage. If you want to stop acting like an employee and start architecting an empire, subscribe to One Person Empire. I'll see you soon.